To make a trapdoor in the hammer editor, proceed as if making a usual door. Draw a brush aligned with the entrance. I'll make two to show you how trapdoors work in Hammer. Select your brush and press Ctrl T to tie it to an entity. In Class, select Func Door Rotating and apply. To make it a proper toggleable door, change the Delay Before Reset key value to -1 and in Flags, check the boxes for Toggle and Use Opens and apply. Finally, align your rotating axis with the door frame. To understand the next part, take a closer look at the top right window on the editor. By default, it should be showing a top view with XY alignment. What this means is that the X-axis is represented on the horizontal axis and the Y on the vertical. The first axis is always on the horizontal and the second on the vertical. To turn our regular door into a trapdoor, inspect its properties with Alt-Enter. Back in Flags, check Y-axis for your trapdoor to rotate around the Y-axis, here in the direction of the red arrow. The same applies for X-axis, here rotating in the direction of the green arrow. I will now run the map and show you the results. As you can see, we now have functioning trapdoors. To change the direction of the rotation, just change the distance key value to a negative value. This will depend on the orientation of your trapdoor's rotation axis. If you liked this video, consider sticking it up your own ass while I fuck your mother.